Hello everyone, welcome to One Star Mathematical Solutions. Today we are going to see about interior of a set, but before that let us see what is meant by interior point of a set. So a point X is said to be an interior point of a set A if A is a neighborhood of X. That is, if we can find the positive quantity epsilon such that the interval x minus epsilon, x plus epsilon is contained in A. Examples: take the open interval a comma b. Since it is neighborhood of each of its points, any point in between a and b is an interior point, right? Second one, take a closed interval a comma b. We know that it is a neighborhood of each of its points except the end, right? The end points. So which means every point between A and B is a interior point, but except this endpoints A and B. So interior points are open interval A comma B. What is meant by interior of a set? This is nothing but the set of all interior points. And it is denoted by A naught. Okay. For example, take open interval a comma b. If this is A, then A naught is open interval a comma b. And if A is closed interval a comma b, then A naught is open interval a comma b. Okay, what about R naught? For the set of all real numbers, this is equal to R because it is neighborhood of each of its points. What if A is a finite set? Then A naught is empty because it is not a neighborhood for any of its points. Similarly, for the natural numbers, the integers, the rationals, the interior set is empty because it is not a neighborhood of any of its points, so it doesn't have any interior points. Let us see some results on interior sets. The first result is that for any set A, the interior set is open. Second one, A naught is the largest open set contained in A. So A naught is always contained in A and it is open and it is largest open set. Okay. Third one is, if A is a subset of B, then interior of A is also a subset of interior of B. And A is open if and only if A is equal to the interior set. Fifth result is, for any set A, the interior of A interior is just A interior. The last result is, A interior is equal to the union of all open subsets of A that are contained in A. Thank you guys. See you in the next class.